Good evening, everybody, and welcome back to another weekly breakdown here at Intuition FX. Firstly, I apologize for the inconsistency. I missed last week's breakdown and I missed a live trading session. The reason for this is I was on a family holiday in Dubai. Um, it's been a very long time since I've been on holiday, like I said. The last holiday I had was in 2018, and that was in Singapore. So it's quite a while ago, and this was very much needed, especially after when I started trading in 2020 or end of 2019. I haven't really had a good break from trading. Go to another country, experience the heat and the luxury and the simplicity. I guess living in the UK can be very. It's a fast place. It's a fast-paced country, is how I'll put it. It's different. But again, it was a very nice break. If you head over my Telegram, I've posted a reel there if you guys want to have a look at it. It was quite a nice holiday, but again, like I said, I'm back to the grind. Just a few things though I wanted to talk about before I do head into the analysis and the chart. So, I don't want to take up too much of your guys' time either. Again, my analysis is quite short, but I'll just quickly touch upon a few things I want to talk about. The first thing was my Twitter presence and my Instagram presence. I might be dialing down on those. The only reason is, again, going on holiday and just thinking about what it is I want from the trading scene. I haven't really had a chance to sit down and think. And obviously, I spent a whole week without even opening MT4 or MT5 or even looking at a chart or even caring about a chart because I was like, it's August as well. So it's a great time to go on holiday because, you're in a period where markets aren't moving how you want them to move and they're moving with uncertainty. So having that break was well needed, but it made me understand a few more things about what I want from Intuition FX, what platforms I want to spend more time on, and how I want to spend my own time. I want to improve my trading even more, and the only way I can do that is spending a lot less time on social media. I'm on and off my personal Instagram. If any of you have it, you'll know that I'm on and off it from time to time. But with Intuition FX on Twitter, I'm thinking of dialing it down a little bit, maybe deactivating it. I'm not sure yet. These are just things I'm thinking of, and I'm just putting it out there. Even my Instagram maybe. But I will be active on the Telegram, and I will be active on this YouTube channel. This is where I'm going to be doing the market analysis, and this is where I'm going to be doing my, the talking, and this is where I'm going to be doing my live trading sessions. I feel like Twitter is kind of useless in a way for me at the moment. I thank everyone who supported me on Twitter, but I'm trying to bring you guys on Telegram and YouTube. So hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. But like I said, I'm trying to figure a few things out. But again, most of my activity will be on Telegram and it will be on this YouTube channel. But I haven't deleted Twitter or anything yet. Like I said, I'm still thinking, and if I do come to a conclusion, if you're on my Telegram channel, you will be the first to know. But let's get into the trading side of things now. Here's the Forex Factory news calendar for the week. It's the first thing we always look at. And obviously Monday, no news. Tuesday, we have high impact news in London. Now, I don't trade London, guys. I've stopped trading London, and I've mentioned this a couple of times. I mainly just trade New York. I've just kept to that one session. I just let London do whatever it wants. Do you want to make the high and low of the day? Do you want to do this? I just let London do whatever it wants to do. New York, like I said, I go for my 25 pips, maybe them 30 pips, maybe them 20 pips. But you guys get the point. You guys can see my trades on my YouTube channel, and they're mainly 20-25 pips anyway. So we got GBP USD 7 a.m. We've got Euro bank holiday the whole day, but it's not a full Euro bank holiday. It's only France and Italy. Let's be honest, no one cares. So we are going to go ahead and look for trades, and we do have core retail sales at 1:30. We do have FOMC meeting minutes. It's not the press conference, but again, I'd rather not trade too much on that day either, depending on how tomorrow goes. And then Thursday, Friday, we're good to go. But I like to stay out on Monday. I'm trying to, as much as possible, just stay out on Mondays. Just let the market do what it wants, like we did today. I really only truly have an analysis on the daily time frame, and I'm going to go through it, and then I will try and jump down to an hourly. Looking at the daily chart now, I want to say forget GU, because the way GU is moving, I'm not a fan of it at all right? It's just going sideways. It doesn't interest me. But what interests me is DXY and the euro. We have the 20-day look back that I've marked out over here. Looks like a market maker buy model. We are very close to taking out this 20-day look back. And we have a market maker sell model here. Euro USD, 20-day look back. Volume imbalance, SMT. Institutional order for entry draw over here. Come into the volume imbalance, take that across. And over here, this is what I look for and I love to see on a daily time frame. Is SMT on a daily PAD array. We have a daily order block right here. And we have SMT. Euro USD took out this high. DXY did not take out that low. DXY wants to run higher, taking out that high. And we have the stop run. And now we will be going lower on euro. So let's go into euro. That is a 20-day look back, which is my target. But for tomorrow, just for tomorrow, the draw on liquidity, guys, is today's low. The low we made on Monday. That is all I'm going for right now. I don't want to see price go too high. I don't want to really see it run high and then run down again. But again, it's August. Anything can happen. This is why I'm saying I genuinely just want the market to do whatever it wants. Over here, if you take this across, that is a balanced price range. I want to delete it, but I'll show you it. There we go. Look at the way it reacts. Price drops down, come up, order block, boom, down. So I'm very interested to see now how price reacts. Does it break this high? Let's see. You know, does it want to make the high of the week again? Let's see. Does it take out London then move lower? But my drawn liquidity is this low over here. But I can't say too much now. I can't give you, oh, this is what I want to see in London, because guys, I don't trade London. Like I've said this before, I don't trade London. I'm not interested in participating in London. So unfortunately, you guys are gonna have to wait for me to give you any trade idea. Well, I don't want to say trade idea because this is not a signal service. But I will update you guys on what I'm seeing in the markets tomorrow before New York. But as you guys can see, this is it. I may have a few family commitments tomorrow as well around New York, so it may not allow me to trade or record it. But you guys are seeing and hearing what I'm saying. 20-day look back, I'm going for that high. 20-day look back, I'm going for that low. Euro USD, I am looking for shorts. That's pretty much it, guys. It was a very short, you know, weekly breakdown. Again, there's not too much for me to say. I can just telling you on a daily basis on what I'm looking at on a daily time frame. I'm not looking at GU, I'm only looking at EU. And let's see what we can get from the markets this week. On that note, I hope you guys have a great week ahead. Stay safe and good night.